So over here, I am in my Google Classroom and you can see that I got a bunch of announcements right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to delete some announcements over here. Let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and delete this particular announcement. In that case, I can go around and click on the three dot button right here and then hit the delete button right here. Once I do that, I can go around and click on delete and the announcement will be deleted just like this, as you can see. Similarly, I can go around over here and click on this three button right here and hit the delete button right here. And what happens is that delete announcement is an option, as you can see right here. And if I were to go around and delete it, then the announcement is deleted, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and delete this out as well, and there you go. This is how you can delete out the announcements right here, and they won't be accessible to your students anymore right here. Let me just go around and delete this out as well. So if you mistakenly post something and then you want to remove it out, you can simply delete out the announcement just by using this method. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe